Yeah, so I was thinking of going over around 7 or 8. Does that work for you?
Yeah, sounds good. I'll see you there, man.
Cool, I'll see you.
Do you hate the color of your teeth? And do you want to do something about it? Well, do I have something for you? Grenchi's Teeth Tape. It'll make your teeth shine like the sun. Let's see how our friend here likes teeth tape. Maybe it'll raise his confidence a bit.
I'm feeling better already!
Okay, let's see what the competitor, Crest Whitening Strips, has to offer their customers now, huh? Oh, gross. Oh, okay, Crest Whitening Strips are not good for you at all. Now let's go ahead and check back with our old buddy.
Hey, you made it!
Yeah, man. Dude, what'd you do to your teeth? They're looking great.
Oh, thanks, I used teeth tape. Oh, hey, dude! Hey!
Teeth tape, it's for you.